The Maytag washer error code F72 indicates a communication failure between the control board and the motor control unit, with a faulty control board being the most common cause of this issue. To resolve the problem, replacing the control board is often the best solution. This can be done by following a series of steps. First, switch off the washer and unplug it from the socket. Then push it away from the wall and remove the tall panel. It's a good idea to take a photo of the wiring for reference. Next, release the locking tabs from the wiring connectors and remove the screws that hold the board onto the washer. After removing the control board supporting bracket, touch a metal object to discharge any static electricity. The new control board can then be positioned on the support bracket and the mounting screws replaced. Using the photo as a guide, connect the wires and push the wiring tabs into the receptacles until they click into place. Finally, reinstall the tall panels. Push the washer back onto the wall and switch it on. By following these steps, the error code F72 should be resolved, and the washer should be functioning properly again.